calibrate this Windows view automatic by itself. That's me doing it.
As I lock am like this now, you go lock. You get Droid cam before?
Okay.
Now, if you get, I'm not sure, maybe you get Droid cam. If you get Droid cam now, you go just,
You know, they for this one, that system.
you go just start am like that. It don't dey work for maybe WhatsApp, Telegram, and the rest like that. So now the cards.
Which one? You get one where even tell me say I go fit use do Zangi.
Let me stop this thing. I don't want make the credit the waste abeg. Press stop for your side like that. You see the stop? Press and press the stop.
The stop is not highlighted to be pressed.
Abeg, may I highlight it? Let me dey press and continuously abeg. Leave the virtual camera. Press stop.
Close the window tag.
If you no stop, maybe you go close the window abeg. I no wan waste this credit abeg.
Make I close them now. Make I close the window.
Close am.